The following message has been issued at the request of the Spring Lakes Volunteer First Aid Department. A local area emergency is in effect until 10:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on January 23, 2026. Due to snowplows running late, snow has layered over major streets. You are urged to not drive on roads that are slick, icy, and snowy. Driving would be very risky in this situation as your vehicle may get stuck in the snow, leaving you susceptible to the cold before emergency services can reach you. If you are stuck in the snow, please call 911.